Hi, Jeff Cote here with Ask PYS. We've got a question from Gavin. Gavin asked a question that's actually pretty common for a lot of us on our boats. And he says, okay, Jeff, I've got a question about a Wi-Fi router. But it's not so much to do with the network capability, it's about powering that router. And he says, I want to convert this AC device to 12 volts DC. It's the only device I need to have running through the day and night. But to do so right now, I have to run my inverter, which means using more power. Gavin brings a good point. Excellent point. Gavin says, okay, I've got a router. I bought it probably at Best Buy or wherever, it doesn't matter, and it plugs into the wall. But realize this, that AC adapter is actually very likely connected to 120 AC, but it's probably outputting 12 volts DC. You can actually read the label on those AC adapters, and you can actually see input, and they're going to show you a range, and they're going to show you output, and they're going to say output, it could be 9 volts, 12 volts, 5 volts, whatever. Some are 18 volts. The voltage may vary, but many of those items are actually outputting 12 volts. So what did I do on my boat and many other boats? I end up cutting the cord, the AC, that little AC sort of adapter, that device that converts from 120 AC to 12 volts DC, I cut that, and then I can actually connect the power leads to a circuit breaker and a fuse, because I obviously want to protect my circuit, and then I can actually have a router powered directly from direct current and not have to go through an inverter to get alternating current, which is effectively like shore power. So when you're buying AC appliances for your boat, you might look into the details and find out that those devices are actually powered by DC. And so it's easy and relatively straightforward to cut the cord and connect the cord into directly to your batteries via obviously a switch and a fuse. Now here's the catch. You can never, ever, ever mix up the polarity. So this is important. So when you do cut that cord, it's going to look like both wires are the same, but you've got to make sure that you get the polarity right, because if you invert the polarity on a 12 volt circuit feeding a router, I can guarantee you, and I know this from experience, and I learned it the hard way, you will blow out that piece of equipment. So don't mix up the polarity. Keep positive, as negative as negative. And if you invert it and you connect it to the device, you will definitely blow up that device. Thank you for watching this PYS video. If you've got further questions, ask them down below or go on our website to fill one of the forms. Also, support to keep this YouTube channel ad-free by donating on PayPal or purchasing some merchandise on our store. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.